Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Vera here as always, and as usual guys, today I'll be making a very quick trip down to NSK, that is Nsukka, and I'd like you to join me on that road trip. So guys, interestingly, I am not driving down to Nsukka. I'll be taking a mass transit, so that will give me an ample opportunity to film the road trip with you or for you. So if you want to see what's to be seen or what's to be noticed in the new road from Enugu down to Nsukka in 2021, you should definitely watch this video to the very end. I'm actually going to the den, that is the University of Nigeria and Nsukka, so I have a couple of things to do there, and if time permits me or what I'm doing, the activities I have over there allows me, I could film a little bit of the campus for you guys. All right, so if you are an old student of the den, this might make sense to you, or if you are from Nsukka or you lived in Nsukka or anything, just enjoy the video and all of that.
Boy, I used to lie awake in bed, turning over every word you said. Never really had a crush like this. Got me running circles for your kiss. So darling, take my hand, you got to understand, I don't wanna just be friends. Come away with me and live my fantasy, I don't wanna just be friends.
I'm at the park now, and you have to fill a manifest. That is what this guy is writing now. You fill the manifest before you get into the bus, and inside the manifest you write your name, your details, and the details of your next of kin. So it's traditional with most public transport or transit here in Nigeria. That is that. So I've written mine, and I'll be entering the bus now. I secured the front seat so that I can film. Seriously, I'm sitting in the middle, which is like an uncomfortable position, but I just have to stay there so that I can film for you guys. Alright, so I think I'll be entering the bus now. I don't have any other thing. So people are still writing their own manifests, so it's a normal thing here. Guys, I'm inside the bus, and this is a rickety one at that. Having left the park, we are making our way down to the express, and to get to the express we'll have to drive through New Market Road, Golf Estate, Transekulu, Nike Road, and then head down to Nike before making our way down to Nsukka. This is because the popular route everybody knows, I'm talking about the Enugu Nigeria express road that leads to 9th Mile down to Nsukka, is a mess. Guys, it's a total mess. That place is currently a death trap. The only reason why you have to apply that route is if you want to hurt your vehicle so badly, or you have a very rugged truck that can apply that route. Otherwise, it is a no-go area. Alternatively, if you want to get to Nsukka from Enugu, you can drive through Ngo, get to 9th Mile, and continue your way down to Nsukka. Personally, I consider that a very, very long trip. This route we are taking now is the easiest and the fastest route to Nsukka from Enugu. So currently we are at Nike Road, and if you can notice, a lot of vehicles are diverting to the right. That is because a very popular junction known as T Junction down there is currently blocked. That is because the government is trying to construct a flyover over there to ease traffic that has been plaguing residents of this area. So currently we are in the streets of Enike community. I think this is Umuchibo community. If I'm wrong, please correct me in the comment section. All right, and as you know, most parts of Nike are developed, and a lot of people that live there as their hometown. They are the indigenes of Nike, while the other people that live around these places are non-indigenes that are just residing here. So if I get to pass your house, your village, your shop, or your church, or anywhere familiar to you, please leave that in the comment section. I love reading comments like that. So because this is my first trip to Nsukka this year, I do not know where this diversion is leading us to. I don't know where we are going to come out to. So let's just enjoy the whole surprises together. And I've not been to this part of Nike or Abakwa. Abakwa is in Nike, so I've not really been to this part of Enugu. So let's enjoy the surprise trip together. Guys, at this point I must say that I am becoming uncomfortable with this trip. That is because the roads we've been plying are quite narrow. They are all dusty. I have literally chopped dust, and there is gridlock. As you can see, this low bed is moving a caterpillar here and leaving us very close to the fence, like we are literally kissing the fence while trying to move. And it's been an uncomfortable trip so far. A lot of people are trying to move at the same point, and it's not been easy. However, thanks to the men of Ministry of Transport, the officers from Ministry of Transport have been aiding and controlling traffic. That's why we are moving at the pace we are moving. Otherwise, this would have been a no-go area. And I'm still looking forward to see where we would come out, because we've spent an ample time here. Like, we spent a lot of time on this road. So let's keep moving at the sluggish rate we are moving, and I'm really uncomfortable at this point. After spending an hour on that road, we came out to in front of Nike Lake Resort, and this is where I'm officially pissed. However, we move, the journey continues, and I hope you enjoy the trip with me. So we are still in Nike community, and we are making our way now down to head into Nsukka. So let's keep on going. By my right over there is Elim Estate. Elim Estate, I think, was developed by Koppen Groups of Company, a real estate company here in Enugu. And plots of land around this place is selling like hot akara. A lot of people are buying plots of land here, and if you want to get one for yourself, my company has a couple of them for sale, so you can reach out to me and I'll help you get one. And this is because a lot of development projects are going on in this place, so it will be a wise thing for you to secure a plot or more for yourself in this neighborhood. This is Ibagwa Nike community. Now we are moving into Ugogo Nike community. This is a very popular Ugogo Nike where a lot of people are buying land as well. And as usual, my company also has a couple of lands for sale here. So if you want to buy here, you can always reach out to me and I'll help you facilitate that. And one of the bonus points here is by my left over there, the Enugu State Housing Corporation has an already developed estate in this place, so I think that is a bonus track. Right now, this is Nike Junction, and in the middle of that roundabout is a statue of the former governor Sullivan Chime. Typically, this area is always busy with socioeconomic activities on a very normal day like we are seeing today. So hi to Nike. Now, another interesting part of this trip is what is going on by my left. Over there, this is where a lot of people call Peace University. This is Ekwebe Nike, and all of this massive, enormous piece of land that has been fenced you are looking at is a place the CEO or the owner of Peace Mass Transit has acquired for himself to build his university and high school, that is secondary school, and he calls it Maduka University and Maduka Secondary School. And I feel this is the right business venture or a good business venture, or do you think otherwise? But I'm so amazed at the massive piece of land that he acquired for this project. I'm thinking perhaps he bought an entire community or half of the community. I pray they do not have issues at the end of the day, but it's a massive project going on here. And the last time I heard, plots of land around this place we are selling for 500,000, and I feel it's a smart thing to get yourself a piece of land here, because when the school is set up here is going to be a hot cake as well. So that is that. Shout out to the owner of Peace Mass doing his doings in a proper way. Right now we are moving down to Opi Nsukka, the home of honey, healthy bananas and cashew nuts. This is a place I love to buy things on my way to Nsukka or on my way from Nsukka. However, today I am not interested in buying anything because our driver did not stop, and I'm so glad he did not stop, because I'm already behind schedule, having spent an hour in that place, so I do not have a lot of time to lose. Depending on how long ago you've been away from Nsukka or Nigeria, Nsukka is currently wearing a new look, starting from these roads. These roads were constructed by the current governor, Ifeanyi Ugwuanyi, and as you can see, the roads gave Nsukka a new and a better look at that. So currently we are in Nsukka and we are making our way down to Nsukka town. So feel free to look around Nsukka, and perhaps we might just pass your house or the place you studied or your church or something like that. Just please enjoy. Aside from the new road that gave Nsukka a new and a better look, major roads in Nsukka now have traffic lights situated at their major junctions. And I'm talking about this because indigenes and residents of Nsukka celebrated this as a worthy development in the newspapers and media. I feel it's something worthy of mentioning in this vlog. Now, moving away from that, another thing you'd notice in Nsukka is the high number of motorcycles or bikes in the southeastern part of Nigeria. After Nnewi, Nsukka comes second with the highest number of bikes you would see in its community and among its residents. And over here, it cuts across genders. Both males and females own and ride bikes. Secondary school students own and ride bike in this place. I have a friend from Nsukka. She once told me that if you're from Nsukka or you live in Nsukka and you cannot ride a motorcycle, that you are indeed not a true son of Nsukka. So if you are from Nsukka or you live in Nsukka, and if you can or cannot ride bikes, please let me know in the comment section. I would like to know that. Another thing you would notice that is common here are elements of greenery. Anything you see that is green, starting from taxis, shuttles or whatever, are products of University of Nigeria and Nsukka. They represent the den. Nsukka also has a variety of healthy meals, but I'm not going to talk about their different foods today. I have another engagement here, so probably on another day I'll come for all of those beautiful things about Nsukka. But right now we are very close to the park, and I'll be making my way into the den to handle the business that brought me to NSK. I've alighted from the vehicle, and I'll be crossing over to the other park to board a shuttle going into the campus. Now, this is the park where students or anyone that has any business inside the campus comes to board vehicle moving to the campus. The campus shuttles charge just 15 naira from here to the campus or from the campus back to this place. However, I overheard our driver saying that other drivers are having a meeting that day to discuss possibilities of hiking the price. So I guess the economy has also hit them hard. Things are currently not so easy in Nigeria, and I feel that is their reason for planning to hike the price. And as a result of this meeting, that is why you notice that the park seemed empty and scanty. Most of the drivers are in that meeting or were in that meeting as of that day. So let's keep making our way down to the campus. We are very much close to the University of Nigeria.
University of Nigeria, my alma mater. Hail and rejoice for the sake of truth.
Where young men and women do seek for knowledge.
Hail and rejoice for the sake of knowledge. Where the nation's potentials do brood in the nest. Hail and rejoice for her noble ideals.
Hail varsity poets alone, our dreams come true.
Hail and rejoice for the giants our ways. My days are down in science and in arts. In ignorance of learning thou hast taught
Campus right now, and the errand has started. Oh, I've trekked. If you know UNN, you know that it's synonymous to trekking. Seriously. So if I have opportunities, I'll show you around. But if I do not, I'll just handle my business and go. All right. So basically, right now I'm going to the next department where I'm supposed to meet a professor. So that's that. So I hope you enjoyed the tour vlog and all that. So if this is where I'm ending the vlog, please, I hope you enjoyed it, and please subscribe to my channel and like this video, share with your friends and your family. But if I'm not ending here, I might still meet you guys some other time. All right, so bye. Later, guys. Okay, it's not up to an hour, it's like 35 minutes later. I'm still waiting, and there is no waiting area or space here, so slip into the mud. I'm sitting on the floor, guys. Okay, wait. Alright, so I have my power bank with me and my earpiece to keep me busy or to keep me company while I wait. And the funny thing is that what I need from both of them, I have to get it first before I get to the next level. So